Hotel room hacks. Checking into a hotel or B&B, safety cleaning tips. First, place the safety alarm under your door that sounds if someone tries to enter. Throw on some disposable gloves and grab disinfecting wipes to tackle the high-touch surfaces, like light switches, remotes, phones, end tables, handles, and knobs. Don't forget the microwave and mini fridge. Pop open your bathroom wipes and disinfect the sink area, faucets, flusher knob, toilet seat, and shower handles. Snap a cleaning pad onto this travel wand and scrub down the whole bathtub and rinse. Grab a refill to cleanse the toilet bowl, then press and dispose. For non-washables like the chair and couches, use disinfectant spray. Run a cycle with these coffee machine cleaner tablets to remove any buildup in there. Use this flat pop-up sponge and soap to clean any dishes you plan to use for your stay. Wipe down with my favorite disposable microfiber towels. Lift the sheets and check the mattress corners for bed bugs, then apply bed bug spray. Scan and sanitize the sheets with this pop-up UV light. Next, unfold your disposable sheet set. They're soft, comfy, and also come with pillow inserts. If you don't trust the hotel towels, keep these lightweight disposable bath towels handy. I also recommend these travel soap sheets in case there is no soap or if you're sensitive to hotel soaps.